right, so now that the hood's up, we're gonna start disconnecting things. Squeeze your tab, pull it off. I've got an 8mm socket, an extension, and a swivel. Just loosening up that clamp. So we can lift that. Pull this hose off of here. Disconnect your clips. Is that one more? There it is. Pull this out of here. Get your air filter out of there. Grab this. Should pop up. Pull it out. To do this, you don't have to take out this air filter box, but I'm just going to do it for the sake of the camera. So next you're going to lift this red tab right here. This is your locking tab. Use a pocket screwdriver. Now you're going to press in on the center. And this should want to lift up. So you just press close right down there, not up here. Take off your 10mm head bolt. This one down here. Grab this, lift it straight up and out. We have our brand new quality TRQ Performance coil here. We're going to install that. Comes with brand new bolts. Slide that right in. Line up your bolts. Try to get them both started. Make sure they're both tight. There's that locked down. Give it a tug. Move on to your other coils. Slide this in. Those lined up. Put this in since I took it out. This up on here. Make sure we connect this back on. Put our little connector on there. All right, tighten up this clamp using our 8mm. All right, start it up. Very nice.